Wrench. 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1 Phillips, 1 flat screwdriver. 3.5 inches long, 89 millimeters. Top reviews from the United States. A must-have kind of tool for cyclists. My old multi-tool has fallen apart and I got this to replace it. The tool is sturdy and has most of the pieces I need for any sort of adjustments I need to make on my bike. The chain tool is a nice addition that a lot of multi-tools do not have. In the few months I have had this tool, with many part changes and adjustments on my 2 bikes, it has yet to let me down. Would recommend.